bad thing, is it? That'll be alright.
Join it to one further up, then it will go a bit higher.
No, it's not boring. Yeah, cool. But she was like, why don't you take him out and go to the bathroom? Yeah, I was like, what is a bike? He was sitting on the edge and it's just like... Yeah, it's actually nice to hear your voice properly. Like hearing it before, I'm like, shut up! Actually in person, I'm like, oh, that's my head. It's fine, you'll just have to say
Do you want me to
next
press that?
I've pressed it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you can say that. It's one of those bar stools where it's like a doing a foothold there. Oh. Number 5 never answers back. He's on crack, he's on smack, his puzzles come and we react. Corner Barney fellows, he's a quiet soul, quite mellow. That's what says one right, quite quiet. Conversation gave some time, only to realize we talk the same line. Conversation gave him some time, only to realize we talk the same lines. He's a milkman, not Mike Feldman. He's a chef who wanna marry, not wanna be strung up, married. He's a Rick Tyler, not Steve Tyler. Edward Smith, Chase, Captain Smiler. He's okay every day, keeps himself contained, come what may. He's a taxi driver, part-time, not a taxidermist. Don't fantasize about using his fists. Barney follows high, so glad you're alive. Barney follows high, in our black we will cry. best friends with. Floyd fan lost suitably dressed. He's a dark walker, not a damn old stalker, with a man with courage when he's a bit of a talker. God, I wouldn't mind if he were my brother-in-law. Not seen too often to avoid dealing law. He's a storm manager, not a storm chaser. He's an exotic parrot owner, not an extremist paratrooper. Honey fellows, hi. So glad you're alive. Honey fellows, hi. I'm glad people cry. Honey fellows, hi. So glad you're alive. Green smoke is a British gas. Says Barney having a toke in his lap. Green smoke is a British gas. Says Barney having a toke in his lap. Oh, the glee, make believe, mistaken identity. I was wrong, and that's why I write this song. Oh, the glee, they believe, mistaken identity. I was wrong, that's why I write this song. Oh, the glee, they believe, mistaken identity. I was wrong, that's why I write this song. I was wrong, that's why I write this song. I was wrong, that's why I wrote this song. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm G-Floyd-D, as you can probably tell from this gratuitous bit of advertising. I'm from Eastleigh, near Eastleigh, Bishopstoke. I'm going to do a few of my own and this, that and the other. Try not to fall off the stool. I could have my foot there, couldn't I? That might be better, mightn't it? A bit more comfortable. Okay. I'm also a fidget. Fully qualified fidget. I'm a good catch, right? So many goals, you know, trying to find my own way home to go. Walk through the night like I've been sitting many times, trying to find the right line. Tried school, but that didn't work. Turks, people saw me as some kind of info. Freak mother, shopping lines to the side. That's if you saw it, I'd be fine. Trying to catch you in another line. Trying to find out who it's chasing. One modern way to get arrested. I'm just trying to be. It ain't easy. Must be a way to get me started. But the river deep tunnel like swamp blue. So deep I can't see my shoes. trying to be. It ain't easy. Must be a way to get me started. As you know, it's the 80-20 rule that you'll never taught at school. It's some shout of accidental and nomadic existence. It's a dream, it's a dream. Never was alive till I was alone. Never touched the fire till I left home. Never touched a drop on like my dad. I sleep from the sun. I do what I can. Trying to find out it's chasing. But I'm not a way to get arrested. Trying to be, it ain't easy. Must be a way to get me sorted, 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 sorted. Do a cover an old Syd Barrett song, old Pink Floyd song, for the main inspiration. I want to tell you a story about a little man, if I can. A gnome named Grimble Grumble, a little gnome stay in their homes. Eating, sleeping, drinking their wine. He wore a scarlet tunic, a blue-green hood, it looked quite good. He had a big adventure, amidst the grass, fresh air at last. Whining, dining, biding its time. And then one day, hooray, another wave for nose to say. The sky, look at the river, isn't it good? Look at the sky, look at the river, isn't it good? Whining, finding places to go. And then one day, hooray, another wave for nose to say. Hooray. slight change of plan. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. Your clutch is slipping, I'm trying to find catch the disease another time. Baby, you're fixed on being lost. Less than time, by many goes. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. I used to take walls as a child, get my peace for a while. I used to take walls as a child, get my peace for a while. Get my peace for a while. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna get some sleep, nothing surprises me. I'm gonna get some sleep. I used to take pills as a child, get my peace for a while. I used to take pills as a child, get my peace for a while. Get my peace for a while. Thank you. I've been G-Floyd-D. Thank you for listening. Cheers. Thank you.